Now let me move ahead and pass some data to the fragments. So what we need to do is, see, we have written some fragment before, which is setting fragments, and into the setting fragment they have given argument 1, argument 2. See, the technique of creating the another fragment, which is setting fragment, is different. They have used new instance method, then they have created the object of settings fragment, then argument they have passed, and then set argument, then a return fragment. Everything they have created like this. And then on create view they have written the method to return the fragments layout, right? So and in our fragment products, what we have done is we have done simple 3 line code, which is super, that we are passing the layout as a constructor to product fragments. This is also right, this is also right, but I have just shown you one simple way. Now let's pass some values to the fragment. So for example, this is my products fragment, and I want to pass a product name to the fragment whenever it is created. Okay, so I will write string product name, which is basically blank. By default it is blank, right? Okay, now I will go to main activity. Now where I am creating the fragment here, null value, which is argument, I need to pass something to the argument. So to pass something using argument, what you pass is you create a bundle object. In intent also we have seen that we need to use bundle to create a to send some data, right? So bundle equal to new bundle. I am creating bundle object, right? Now bundle dot put string, key is what? Product name, and my key will be here laptop. Now my bundle is created. In the bundle I am passing one string, which is product name, which is laptop. Now what I need to pass here is I need to pass that bundle object here. Done. You are sending some data using bundle, and I'm passing that bundle object here instead of the argument. Now I will go to products fragment. Now I have sent that using bundle. Now I need to catch it using that bundle. Okay, so what you will do is you will override one method here, which is on view created. On view created. See, in our presentation in the life cycle, on view create, on create view is there, and after that on activity created is there. So on view created is executed after this on create view. Okay, so what it will do, after the on view, see, just like the name, on view created, once the view is created, it will ask, or it will take all the parameters which is necessary, which is view and bundle. Bundle is nothing but the bundle parameters you are using. Okay, and here I will do one thing, what? Product name equal to, now here what I need to do is I will use one method here to get the arguments from the bundle. So there is one way is to use this bundle object, or there is another way, which is required arguments. Required arguments. It also gives you the bundle which is being used while creating the fragments. Okay, and here get string, and into the string I will write the key, prod name, which is product name. So in activity also what you are sending is prod name, which is laptop, and here you are catching is prod name, which is the laptop, or whatever string which you are passing. Now I need to use this variable, and I will assign that to this text view here, So I need to give one ID. Here ID will be TV prod name, text view product name. So I will go to fragment. Here I will define one text view, okay, with the text view TV prod name. Now here TV prod name equal to find view by ID. View dot find view by ID r dot id dot prod name, and TV prod name dot set text, and you will pass what? Product name. So like this, product name will be set to the text view. So let's try to check if this works. Let me run this application. Okay, so my application is running now, and as you can see there is no fragment because we are not showing anything by default. When I click on change fragment button, it will show me laptop. Why laptop? Because I have passed some data into the argument by using bundle, and that data I am catching or retrieving into on view created using require arguments and the key of that argument, right? So this is how you will pass data dynamically to the fragment. See, we are passing this data to the fragment when we are creating that fragment. Okay, I will show you one more example in some video where you can pass data to the fragment once it is already created. Okay, so in the next video I will show you more details about fragment.